Welcome to our video on Sumatran rhinos. In this video, we will be learning about the physical characteristics, habitat, and conservation efforts for these amazing animals. Sumatran rhinos are the smallest of the rhino species, standing at about 4 to 5 feet tall and weighing between 1,000 to 1,500 pounds. They have a distinctive reddish-brown color and are covered in long, shaggy hair. This helps them to blend in with the dense rainforests of Indonesia, where they are native to. Sumatran rhinos are herbivores and primarily feed on leaves, twigs, and fruits from a variety of plants. They live in small, isolated populations throughout the rainforests of Sumatra and Borneo. Unfortunately, Sumatran rhinos are critically endangered and their populations have declined significantly in recent years due to habitat loss, poaching, and other human activities. There are currently fewer than 100 Sumatran rhinos left in the wild, making them one of the most endangered mammals on the planet. However, there are many conservation efforts underway to protect and preserve Sumatran rhino populations. These efforts include habitat protection, breeding programs, and education and awareness campaigns. In this video, we will delve deeper into the biology and conservation of Sumatran rhinos, and discuss ways that we can all get involved in preserving these incredible animals. Diet and habitat of Sumatran rhinos. Sumatran rhinos are native to the rainforests of Indonesia and are critically endangered. In this video, we will be focusing on what these animals eat and where they live. Sumatran rhinos are herbivores, which means that they only eat plants. Their diet consists primarily of leaves, twigs, and fruits from a variety of plants. They are known to feed on over 100 different plant species, including bamboo, rattan, and various types of fruit trees. Sumatran rhinos are found in small, isolated populations throughout the rainforests of Sumatra and Borneo. They prefer dense, humid forests with plenty of vegetation for them to feed on. These animals are also known to inhabit swampy areas and are good swimmers. However, Sumatran rhino populations have been declining due to habitat loss and other human activities. Deforestation and the conversion of forests into agricultural land have had a significant impact on the habitat of these animals. In addition, poaching remains a major threat to Sumatran rhinos, as their horns are highly valued in some cultures for their perceived medicinal properties. Threats to Sumatran rhino populations. One major threat to Sumatran rhinos is habitat loss. Deforestation and the conversion of forests into agricultural land have greatly impacted the habitat of these animals, reducing the amount of available space for them to live and thrive. Another threat to Sumatran rhinos is poaching. The horns of these animals are highly valued in some cultures for their perceived medicinal properties, leading to illegal hunting and trade. In addition, Sumatran rhinos face a number of other threats, such as disease and conflict with humans. These animals are also vulnerable to natural disasters such as floods and fires, which can have a significant impact on their populations. It is important that we take action to protect and preserve Sumatran rhino populations. There are many conservation efforts underway, including habitat protection, breeding programs, and education and awareness campaigns. But we all have a role to play in supporting these efforts and ensuring the survival of these incredible animals. Conservation efforts for Sumatran rhinos. There are several conservation efforts underway to protect and preserve Sumatran rhino populations. Habitat protection. Conservation organizations are working to protect the habitat of Sumatran rhinos, including by establishing protected areas and working with local communities to promote sustainable land use practices. Breeding programs. In order to increase the population size of Sumatran rhinos, breeding programs have been established. These programs involve carefully managing the breeding of individual rhinos in order to increase the number of offspring produced. Education and awareness campaigns. Conservation organizations are also working to educate the public about Sumatran rhinos and the threats they face. This includes raising awareness about the importance of these animals and the need for conservation efforts. Law enforcement. Conservation organizations and governments are working together to crack down on poaching and the illegal trade of Sumatran rhino horns. This includes efforts to patrol protected areas and enforce laws against poaching. Research. Conservation organizations are also conducting research on Sumatran rhinos in order to better understand these animals and inform conservation efforts. This includes studies on their biology, behavior, and habitat requirements. By supporting these efforts, we can help protect and preserve Sumatran rhino populations for future generations. Ways to support Sumatran rhino conservation efforts. There are several ways in which individuals can support Sumatran rhino conservation efforts. Donate to conservation organizations. There are many organizations dedicated to protecting and preserving Sumatran rhino populations. By donating money to these organizations, you can help fund their conservation efforts and research. Support sustainable tourism. If you are planning to visit an area where Sumatran rhinos are found, consider supporting sustainable tourism initiatives. This can help generate income for local communities and support conservation efforts. Educate others. Spread awareness about Sumatran rhinos and the threats they face. Share information about these animals with your friends, family, and social media followers, and encourage others to get involved in conservation efforts. Support environmentally friendly products. Choose products that are sustainably produced and do not contribute to habitat destruction. This includes products made from sustainable materials and those that do not contribute to deforestation. Get involved in conservation efforts. There are many opportunities to get involved in conservation efforts, such as volunteering with organizations or participating in fundraising events. Contact local conservation organizations to see how you can get involved. By supporting these efforts, you can help protect and preserve Sumatran rhino populations for future generations. Anyway, those are the facts about the Sumatran rhino that you need to know. I hope you liked this video and continue to support us by liking, commenting and subscribing. See you in the next video.